Hello there, I'm Yvonne DeCellis coming to you on my channel Why Energy. This is a very quick one. I just want to show you an energy healing exercise I learned very recently. I'm not exactly certain why it works as well as it does, but it does work for me. So I'm hoping that if you're suffering from low back pain or lower back pain, that this will help you. I learned this one from Titania Dahlin. She's Donna Eden's daughter, and for those of you who are not familiar with the world of energy healing, sorry for the air quotes, but Donna Eden's a master. She's a master of energy healing in the States. Titania Dahlin is one of her daughters. She has two. She has Dante and Titania Dahlin. And I will put a link to the video by Titania into my description, and after I've had a chance to fix up the description and put it in the table of contents and everything. But I tried this exercise out, and it actually really worked for me. So if you're having problems with lower back pain, I hope this helps you. If you've tried everything else and nothing else has worked, give this a shot. Titania had said that the adrenals can get really clogged up, and when they get clogged up, you can start having back pain problems. So I'm going to stand up. We're going to lose eye contact for a little bit, but I just want to stand up so I can show you exactly how to do this exercise. So this is the adrenal floss. You want to put your fingers on your belly button. Go up about an inch and then go out about an inch. That's where your adrenals are, and you can do the 3-finger vigorous massage, but this works really well. The floss, the adrenals at the front correspond to the back points. Your adrenals are in the back to match. And what you want to do is you're literally flossing. So you want to actually just bring one hand to the front and one to the back and just do a flossing motion. And I recommend tapping on both this part, the front and the back, so that you can actually feel the contact being made on both sides. So you do it on one side a few times, I would say maybe 10-15 times, and then just switch to the other one and just do that 10-15 times, however many times you feel you need to do. I'm hoping that if you have really bad back pain and you've tried everything else, give that a shot. I really hope that works. Sorry for the camera move. I actually have my camera on a chair at the moment, so I just wanted to get this video out there to everybody since it's been such a long time since I've put one out. I will put another one out as soon as I possibly can, but like I said, I just wanted to put this up for all of my friends who are having pain problems. So really hope that helped you. As far as calls of action are concerned, my website's up and running. It's YDC Designs. That's Y as in Yahoo, D as in David, C as in cat, designs, plural.org. I'm going to start letting people do one freebie appointment with me. And by appointment, I can either do energy healing on you, I can do Reiki distance healing, or I can do a training video for you. So one time for the first time is free. And then after that, I'm going to develop an 8-week program that I'll let people register for. So I'll put more information about that on my website up as soon as I can. Please check it out. If you know anyone else you think this might help, please let them know this is here. Also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see new things, and if you could hit a like or something, that would be great. I'm looking for any kind of interactivity I can get. But to all of my loyal subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. And for anyone who's new, I really hope this helps you, and I hope you will come back. Namaste. So thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Take care. Be as well as possible. Cheers. Namaste.